Hello, everybody, and welcome again to Caldera Creative Creations. I am so happy to be here. My name is Roxana, and today we are working with this 18-inch grapevine wreath. While we're working with this little rabbit, which I attached and put some little flowers, little bows, decorate them up. We also got some beautiful lilies. We also got some sorted colors of some Easter eggs. We also got some greenery, some of this beautiful ivory. And we got these eucalyptics going on. We also got these beauties. It was a whole bundle. Like always, get one with a lot of greenery or florals on there, so you could just cut them up and you will just have a whole lot. Look at out of one bundle. Okay, with that said, let's get started. Yeah, this is an easy make to make one. Look at these are so beautiful with the little little things at the end. Okay, let's get this started. We are gonna go around like this with this guy. We're gonna work our way around like this. Under, under, hi, hi, hi. Okay, we're gonna get that. Well, we're gonna work with these eucalyptics too. We're gonna go like that. Then we're gonna get another one of these, and we're gonna touch like that. That's cool there. And I think we're gonna get another eucalyptic. There, look. Then we're gonna go around this way and go back down here. Stick this guy in there like that. Then we're gonna get some eucalyptics and get that right there. Then we're gonna get some more of this greenery. We're just gonna attach that. Mix this in with this. Look at, oh yeah, yeah. Go a little down more so we'll be together. See how easy is that? Working together with different greenery, you know. Gonna bend it. Wow, pretty neat, huh? Look at that. Okay, we're gonna get some more of this greenery, and we're gonna put in more right there. Uh-oh, a little too full. But it's okay. Then we're gonna bring some more up here. Just work with your eucalyptics and your greenery. Here, I'm gonna move this guy. This is a little one, so pick this up. Get some more of this going in here. Because this is a long branch. Yeah. Whoa, look at that. Okay, now I think we're gonna get some more of this eucalyptic up here. Let's start going to the last one. Get that going in here like that. See? Let's work these together. I think this is kind of too stuffy right here, huh? Let's calm that one down and let me see. Get some going on over here. Spin the wire, see? Bend the florals to work with what you're getting at. There we go. I'm gonna put some down here by Mr. Bunny. Oh yeah, if I could get some down there. Look at, hey. And go get some more under here. Lift this up and like that. There. Hey, Mr. Bunny, I have some the knee. Let's get some more under here for him. Oh yeah, yeah. If I could get it under there. A little too much. I think we're gonna go right here. Like that. There we go. Mr. Bunny, how's that? There, hey. Okay, now I'm gonna start filling in some more up here. Maybe down here, huh? Let's see what we got going. There, look at that. How about around here? This. There. Okay, now we got one more. Let's see where we can get this guy. Right up in here. I think we're gonna get them right in here. There, look at that. Okay, we got that. Got that filled now. Okay, look at that. Now we're gonna get some of these eggs in here. Just give room for these eggs now. Get one here. Put another one over here and balance them out. So we got a blue over there. We're gonna get a blue in here. There. Okay. Now we're gonna get a pink. Why can't we get this pink one in? Right there. I just put the little caboodle stick inside there. Oh, look at that. Uh-oh, we got pink in think I'm gonna have to balance this. Take this one out. This guy over here. This one right here. Get it in there. There. Boing. Then one more purple one. There, look at that. Okay, now we're gonna get some of these florals. Let's what the florals do. These florals just bring out the wreath, you know. Yeah, my thumb. It's going out of whack. Like always, the show must go on. Where's the smile, everybody? Let's get that smile on. Let's have a great day, okay? Yes, indeed. Great day. And happy Easter. Okay, look at how is that looking, everybody? Leave a comment or press the like button. Look at that. Ooh. And that's it. Look. Hey, look at that. Okay, now let's put a little bit of this greenery up here. What's going on up here? Some greenery going on here. This is going great. Look at. Let me see. Maybe I'll put some down here. Let me see how did that look. Nah. We're gonna go over here. Put some over here. Remember, Mama, balance them out. There. Okay. I think maybe we'll get this little one right here. Look. There, look at that. Okay. Now, where else can get some of this stuff going? Right up here. Wow, there we go. Look at that. I'm gonna have to fix this guy. There. Okay, now let me see. One more of these ivories. And I think we got it. Get some in here. Some to hang out. There it is, everybody. Wow, we just got a full thing going on here, huh? Then this so be like that. And there it is, everybody. Let me put it up here so you all can see what we made today. Wow. Hey. Ooh, look at this. How beautiful. This is now the different variety of florals and flowers and items. You just make a beautiful creation, you know. Just be creative and step back and visualize. And just have a great day and have fun making your wreath. Once again, everybody, until the next video, we still got a lot Easter ones to go. Trying to get out new ideas. I'm getting there, though. Once again, thanks for the views and thanks for subscribing to my channel. Like and share and have a great, wonderful day. Once again, till the next video. Thank you.